While searching for some new ideas to upcycle odd things, I ran across these fantastic ideas to upcycle plastic spoons from the creative folks at Pinterest. There are some really cool ideas on this list, and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below, and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes or 100 likes, I will recreate the winning idea. Isn't this such a beautiful creation? Start by cutting the handles off of several spoons. You'll need to use lighters to mold the top of the spoons to more of a pointy end. Use paint or attach a cordage of your choice around the outside of the spoons. Use the image for reference on how to apply the spoons. You can use hot glue or another glue that will stick to plastic. First, find yourself a clock. Then take plastic spoons, cut off the handles, and paint some of them blue. Glue the spoons to the clock as shown in the picture, and you are all set. To start, cut the handles off of several clear plastic spoons. If you can, find some yellow plastic spoons. If you can't, then paint the spoons yellow. Get a small lamp and start at the top, gluing them all the way down, while creating the shape as shown. Use fake leaves at the top and you are good to go. Get some plastic spoons, cut off the handles, and paint them several different shades of blue. Start at the center, gluing the spoons face up to the mirror. Use cardboard for the backing to glue the spoons onto. Cut the handles off of several plastic spoons. Paint the spoons several different colors. Take the spoons and glue them to make flowers as shown. Last, place a tea light in the middle. If you want, you can add some more decorations to the spoons. Have fun with it! As always, cut the handle off of the spoons. Then paint the spoons with the darkest pink, graduating to a light pink at the bottom. Glue the spoons together as shown in the picture. Start in the middle and go out from there. How unique! To make this, find a round dish and a peacock body. Place the body in the middle of the dish. Cut the handles off of the spoons. Paint your spoons as shown. Place the spoons a little more than halfway around the body. Start at the body and place the spoons all around it until you've gone a bit over the dish. Add round pieces to the tops of the spoons if you like. Find a cone-shaped piece of foam or any other material. Get some little round metallic colored tiny jingle bells. Start by gluing the spoons to the bottom of the cone. Glue them all the way up. Then add your jingle bells and you're all set. Grab several plastic spoons and cut the handles off. Start at the top, leaving a small opening to put a light into the lamp. Glue the spoons together as shown in the picture. Last, place a battery-powered light in the lamp and you are all set. We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video, and if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. And a thumbs up would really help the channel so I can continue to make videos. Today's video was brought to you by me, so please have a wonderful day. Hit the subscribe button to help support my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.